back to another video. In today's video we've got something pretty special for not only me, you and the car. So we've got some carbon fibre wing mounts. These were £15 in the UK, £2.50 for shipping, and they're around 3mm thick or 2.5. So we're going to put them on the car right now. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid.
So first of all, we're taking off these side wings, which like the rear diffuser. Just got to take these off to access where the carbon fibre goes.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So now we're taking off the screws which connect the wing to the side mounts. Just taking out the screws so we can get to where the carbon fibre goes.
Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No.
So now we've taken off the second side mount and we've got the wing, and I think that looks pretty cool without the side bits. It looks quite sporty and like, yeah, angular. So now we're taking off this up here. I'll get a top view so you can see. Just taking off these two screws here to then take this off, to then get to this wing mount and take it off and replace it with that right there. Nice bit of carbon fibre.
So I choke you down just like a pill.
So now we've just taken off the wing, and then we're going to be unscrewing this here, so then we can put that on our carbon fibre wing mount.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
I've just taken off this last mount, which goes from the wing mount to the actual wing. And I'm now gonna start taking off the last screws on the wing mount, down the bottom, down here. So I'm gonna have to you have to take the body off to access them easier. And as you can see, there's screws here, here, and all these three here, which you have to take out. So I think the best way to remember what screws go where is to untake the screw and put them through the screw hole, which matches up to your new wing mount. I'm just going to keep on doing that because they might be different screw lengths and I don't want to get them all mixed up.
Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never.
So as you can see, the screw length of the screws in there, they got different lengths. So just make sure to put the screws in the right hole.
Choke you down just like a pill.
And one thing that I would recommend doing is don't take them both out at the same time, because as you can see here, that's going to be kind of on its own. So you want to keep the other one connected to secure everything, and then you take them out one at a time.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Right, and as you can see, this is all mounted up. There was a little thing which I didn't know about, which is this secures these three screws in. So you want to make sure that this is kept like up to here, otherwise the screws won't catch and they won't screw in properly. So yeah, just make sure that that is where it should be. And now we're going to do the second wing mount.
Take you like a pill. Fill you like a pill to get my fill. No, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but down.
That's the thing that I was talking about, where it goes behind here, and then the screws, the screws like kind of catch and thread into it, and that's what keeps the actual wing mount screwed on. So you want to make sure it's all aligned properly, otherwise the screws won't thread in.
Just like a pill.
So the carbon fibre feels a lot more rigid and less flexible than the plastic one. Like, look, that can easily bend. But then this could shatter more easily, but then it feels much more like robust, which is a good thing.
Like a
So now guys, what I'm doing is I'm going to be screwing on the mount which goes from the wing mount to the wing. I'm just going to be screwing that on.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
I've just connected the wing mount to the wing, and I had a bit of a problem getting it mounted up with the holes, but I just bent this back a bit, and I'm going to loosen some of these screws so it doesn't put too much tension on it. I'm not going to loosen them too much, just loosen this one because this one was the one with the problem. That seems a lot better now. So now we're gonna connect up these side plates back up again. It goes, yeah, it goes this way around. So we're going to connect them up again, and yeah.
I don't know what to call my home. There's a house where I sleep, but I'm alone. I feel like I've been underrated, yeah. People wanna talk shit, just say it. Bigger with my double cup, bigger with my double cup. Coming at me, but I've already had.
Right, now we're gonna connect up this side mount to the wing, and then you have to put this here and make sure that the pointy end, as you can see it's not an even shape, the pointy end goes towards the front of the car, because then that will make better aerodynamics.
I think that I've had enough. Let me run this up, let me run these fuckers up. I don't want this, baby, I don't wanna fall in love with you. I don't wanna fall in love. Saturday keep on texting me, but she not the one. Seems like I ain't lost my touch before I begun. Keep on playing games after you've already won. Should've got away when I was able to run. Woman of the night is my only type. She'll come with you if you have a bottle for the night. She don't care about tomorrow cause she's living life. She's just in it for the moment with me for the night. Yeah, I wake up in the morning, vomit all on the walls. When she got the munchies, she know who she gon' call. Waiting on her friends to pick her up when she falls. Never knew that demons took form of Barbie dolls. I know what you're thinking. Popped a natty, now I can't stop blinking. Get pipe, get ready for the weekend. All the emotions come out on the weekend. Bigger with my double cup, bigger with my double cup. Coming at me, but I've already had enough of you. I think that I've had enough. Let me run this up, let me run these fuckers up. I don't want this, baby, I don't wanna fall in love with you. I don't wanna fall in love. Sometimes I feel like I need a break. If they can't do it, I've been doing, so they go and hate. I really feel like all this music is my only fate.
And there we are, it's all connected up, and then we can have a look at this lovely carbon fibre at the back. And if we put the body on, like that, like so, you can see all the carbon fibre there. Lovely. And now I think Callum has something to say.
Yeah, so with the carbon fibre and obviously the old flimsy, not flimsy but the cheaper bit, it's also a little bit thicker, which is something to bear in mind.
Oh yeah, the plastic is a bit thicker.
Yeah, sure is. Anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Link in description to the carbon fibre and where to get it from, so in case you want to get some of your own, then it'll be there.
I made a small modification with this as well, where we put a red LED in the tail light, and now it looks lit when it's driving.
Pretty damn cool.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys.
We'll see you in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the like.
Cheers.
Bye.